Hey everyone! Today we have a 3-minute Gua Sha routine to fix saggy jowls and skin. Before you start, don't forget to moisturize your skin. For the first move, put your Gua Sha on your chin and move upwards to the sides of your nose. Keep doing this for 30 seconds on each side. Do this slowly and smoothly. Your pressure should be medium. This targeted Gua Sha exercise will stimulate collagen production and improve skin elasticity, helping to lift sagging jowls naturally. It will also help with the lip muscles. Next move is to lift the lip corners. Put your Gua Sha on your lip corner diagonally and move upwards towards your ears, vibrating with your Gua Sha. Be gentle and smooth on the skin. Keep doing this for 30 seconds on each side. This exercise will help to lift the cheeks and the face. As a result, it will lift the lip corners. Also, the vibration movement will help to increase blood circulation and collagen production. It will give you a glowing skin. Next is cheeks lift. Put your Gua Sha on the smile lines area and then start to lift upwards slowly and smoothly. Try not to go too close to the under eye area, as this area has a very sensitive skin and can wrinkle so fast. This exercise can be a multi-purpose exercise as it helps to lift the cheeks, reduce smile lines, lift lip corners, help with the lips to get fuller. It will also promote the skin elasticity. As a result, your skin will get firm and brighter. Keep doing this for 30 seconds on each side. This was it for today's quick routine. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and share. See you next one. Bye.